consider. In a simple linear regression, we have simply uh, one in a simple linear regression. That's we have simple one independent independent feature and one dependent feature. There are two things are enough, right? And we just find out the relationship between them, and we are find out the relationship between them. That is our aim, right? Understanding with one graph. Understand with the graph. Okay. So first we have data set. Let's consider weight and height. We have data set. Let's consider this weight and there are height. Let's consider weight have some point. Okay. And simply that's we are plotting a graph that look like something that. Okay. Say we have a that data point of, let's consider we have that's weight, weight, and this is the height, and we have a data point something like that. Okay, that's we have a data point, and then just simply draw a line. This is the your base fit line. Okay, base fit line, and we simply find out the relationship between weight and height. Okay, in that particular case, okay, this is a your okay, and understanding of the term. This is your actual point. Okay, so this point are actual point. Actual point. It means when height. Let's consider we have a height is a sorry, weight is a 45 kg. In that particular case, we have considered 150 centimeter height. So this find that we are considering someone is here. Okay, this is that point. So this is the actual point. This all of these are actual points. Okay, and when we draw the best fit line, so this is called a predicted point. We are a predict that point. We are just to predict that point for a find out the relationship and how it is work. Okay, and this is the equation of that line. Okay, when we talk about the equation of line, equation of line is simple. Is a y is equal to mx plus c, and it's a mini way of writing this line of equation. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is a okay. Mx plus c. This is a y is equal to uh, beta 0 plus beta 1 x1. Similarly, one more equation that is the most useful. That's the h of theta x is equal to theta 0 plus theta 1 x1. This is one more equation of that line. So our aim is, what is your aim is aim is sorry, we are aim to calculate this error. Okay, between the actual point and error. Actual point and predicted point, right? We consider they are the actual point, so predicted point, and that we have actual point. So our main aim to calculate that error and minimize that error, right? Minimize that error. This is the error. Okay, in that particular case, and how to calculate their error. So for error is equal to y minus y hat. This is for calculate. This is formula for calculating the error. And what is that? That's the actual point that we have. Okay, actual point, and these are a predicted point. That's we are a predicted. They are a predicted point, right? This is the error. I hope, and this is a simple linear regression. Simple linear regression. There's a one input feature and one output feature, and we just predict it best fit line that's passing through the that segment, right? And understanding that concept. Okay, so this is y. There's the equation of like so y is equal to mx plus 3. So in that particular case, what is a yum? Yum basically yum is a slope of that particular line. What is this in slope? Slope is basically the unit movement unit movement in x-axis x-axis. So uh, sorry, a unit movement in x-axis. So so how much movement in y-axis? What does it mean? Simply we have a unit movement from that to that point. Okay. So simply we draw a line. It's a one movement on the x-axis. This is x-axis. So in that particular case, which amount of movement in that particular y-axis? This is called a slope. Okay, we are simply calculating the slope, and this is your for a slope formula. This is your the simple linear regression in a simple linear regression. And what is a c? C basically is a intercept. Okay, what is a c? C is the intercept. C is the intercept, and we calculate that c value. C basically intercept. It means when you draw that best fit line, is meet to the y-axis. Okay, y-axis. This color basically your intercept. It means when the value of x-axis is a zero. So at that point, how much how much value of y-axis y-axis, right? In particular case, we have a zero weight. Okay, so zero weight. So in height, which height we are considering is a or which height with the zero weight, how much height we have. That type of is the intercept, and this is very useful in a simple linear regression. I hope this is very useful and you understand what is simple linear regression. We will understanding how to calculate.